What's going on, you guys? It's day 3 and today we're gonna be taking the engine out to get it freshly painted. So hopefully we'll get to do all of that today, and tomorrow just take out the transmission, clean it, and paint it as well. That's a struggle. Alright, you guys, so we tried to take the engine out, but we tried to take it out without taking the axles off the transmission, but that was not possible. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking the axles out, and then after that, engine should be out. So let's do it. Alright, you guys, so a quick update. We got everything done. Motor and transmission is out. I still need to take out the wiring harness, but I think I'm not gonna take out the wiring harness until I'm getting ready to paint the engine bay. But here's the engine, and there's the transmission, dirty as I don't know what. All right, you guys, so I'm getting ready. I'm getting the engine ready to be painted. I still gotta scuff it and clean it and engine to grease it. But first I gotta take out this pulley, so I can take all this off and actually paint, like take off this off the paint, this one off the paint, and I can paint this side of the block, and that way it won't be looking a different color. Cause you know me, I gotta do everything right. Using a Scotch-Brite, by the way, the scarf to paint, the thick one.
Alright guys, so he's just tapándola.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you give this video a like, and please subscribe. We didn't get to paint the engine today, but we will tomorrow, definitely in the morning around 7 or 8. Right, babe?
Yep, so y'all stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications.
We got to paint the engine, we have to paint the transmission, and then I'll probably go ahead and order the engine harness tomorrow. Or tonight, I don't know, depending.
Well, actually, he's gonna have to do some more research because did y'all know that's expensive?
Yeah. But if I can't find it, I'm gonna order
Solteros está mejor.
We still got engine bay. We still got engine bay to paint. But I want to take my time. I don't want to rush it. I probably didn't clean it right today. Maybe that's why God made ready to say let's go. So tomorrow after I come, I'm gonna give it another clean and scuff it down one more time. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.